The structure of operating systems refers to how they organize their internal components to provide efficient services to both users and programs. In this sense, an operating system not only acts as an intermediary between the hardware and the user, but also provides a set of essential services such as program execution, input/output management, inter-process communication, and error detection. These services also ensure a secure and stable environment where system resources are managed appropriately. Furthermore, interaction with the operating system can be achieved through various interfaces, such as text-based command interpreters or graphical user interfaces, GUIs. Consequently, a key element within this structure is system calls, which allow programs to request services directly from the operating system kernel. In this way, they act as a bridge between applications and the kernel, managing actions such as file manipulation, process control, and inter-program communication. These calls are classified into different types according to their function, which facilitates the organization and control of the system's internal operations. Therefore, understanding the structure of operating systems is fundamental to understanding how their components are coordinated and how efficient, secure, and organized operation is ensured in modern computing environments.